Hi everybody. Talking all the day. Talking full day. Talking spoken English. Talking broken English. Hi. Are you enjoying my rhyme? It is not a rhyme. Seriously, jokefully, and with smile, I am going to give a small tip. Not small, it is a needed tip. What? Talking. What about? Anything, what about? So, if we want to share anything, you have to talk in English. If you want to inquire anything, you have to inquire in English. You want to express something, you try in express in English way, English word. You think in yourself, you are living, you are going, you are doing, you are surrounded by the English world. So, fully, if we adapt our mindset as I am living in English world, I am going go through, I am breathing through, I am watering through English. What I want to suggest you, please keep on your mind always. Whatever we want to do, those should be go through the English. So, in simple way, tracking with any person, don't think about whether he is understanding or not, whether she is understanding or not. Don't think about, am I talking correctly, am I talking wrongly, whatever it may be, however it may be, how much it ever be. So just you want to talk, your must first priority should be given to talking in English, speaking in English. While, if it possible, you have to adapt your body language. I mean, some facial expressions and some signs, symbols, actions. So, moreover, our words and language, our body language, I mean, actions and any facial expressions definitely makes somebody. I mean, somebody means we are going to talk with whom, make them to understand easily what we want to express, whatever it may be. So, talking is more important, whether he is coming from different native language or a native speaker of English, whoever it may be. So, you need not to think much more about that. You have to talk what you want. Don't get any precautionary preparation. Don't get any tension towards preparing or adapting or having some kind of the intentions. Nothing needed. As my experience, I learned more thing with the help of their emotions, their body languages, their actions. Each and every situation makes somebody to understand whatever you want to express to others. Okay, so nature is the best teacher. It provides and it creates the atmosphere to live together. Together means with the surrounded people or living beings, what we have. So we have to talk in English. What kind of the English it may be, what level of the English it may be. I mean, they may be beginners or they may be fluent full persons or good speaker. However, it's so better. So talking, speaking, thinking, and writing. These are should be going through the English. One fine day, at last, definitely make you a good speaker. Good speaker in English. I mean, good spoken English. You should be conquered. Okay. I hope you do that. Uh, Keep continue watching my all videos towards getting this kind of the content. I hope you subscribe, share, watch all the time my videos. Thank you. Goodbye.